Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 260. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're just missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8, 4 here, so 8, 9. And no help here, 4, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.